Hey guys, I'm back with another video and I want to make some tacos. On this video, I want to make some delicious tacos. They're going to be sided with a hemp ranch, some roasted Anaheim peppers, some pico de gallo. So let's get started. The protein that I'm going to be using today is Butler's soy curls. I love these. I tend to have a few always stashed, ready to go whenever I'm hungry and I want tacos. I love tacos. As a Mexican, I just love tacos. I always loved them. I always loved steak tacos when I was not vegan. So I don't think that is ever going to change. And I'm going to add the whole thing. So I'm going to add some water and I'm going to let it rehydrate for about 5 minutes. I like to let it soak for about 3 to 5 minutes, not too long because I don't want it to get all mushy. So while we wait for the soy curls to rehydrate, I'm going to quickly make a spice. So here I have a handful of spices that I'll put in the description below. I've got some oregano, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black pepper, black garlic, 1 clove. Another thing that I'm going to be using is sofrito seasoning blend. Alright. Alright, so we drained the water and I'm just going to add the paste. So the next thing I want to do is add some seasonings. I'm going to add some taco seasonings. I want this to be very flavorful. And then I'm going to stir the ingredients. Probably going to use my hands. Just stir the ingredients together. So I'm grilling up some Anaheim peppers. I'm going to put them to the side. They've been roasting for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add my meaty protein source. I also have some tortillas here that I can probably see if I can steam them. Alright, so this is ready because it doesn't really need that much time. So I'm just going to get it out and put it in a bowl. And since this is not like meat, you don't really have to worry about cross-contamination. You could literally put it back in the bowl that it was in. So I would add the soy curls to a cutting board. And what I would do is I would get my cleaver and I would chop it. Wow. It was so good, guys. I enjoyed every bit of it. And I'm so honored to be sharing that recipe with you. I hope you give it a try. If you're allergic to soy, try potatoes. It's still really delicious. Just give it a shot. I have a recipe for the potatoes tacos on another video. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.